Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this little Smith Corona. It's like a Corsair, but this is made by Sears. So it's the same machine Smith Corona makes here. Got the retractable arm and carriage lift model like this. The carriage goes up and down, and basket's just like this. And this one's got a strange problem when it gets to about halfway point here. It locks up. Right there, carriage locks. It won't go past the back spaces. And it still tabs right to that point, but then it locks up every time. About the same spot every time. But if I move the carriage by hand with the carriage release, it's nice and smooth all the way through that spot. But then it locks up right there. In fact, I noticed if I move the carriage past that spot, it works here. So what can this be? So I did some investigating, and I also heard this click when it was back here. So if you listen closely, you can hear this click. Right there. So if I move it past that point, makes that click. So I did some initial investigation, which is what you need to do when you find a troubled machine. And I looked around, and I looked around, and I looked around, and pretty quickly I found the problem. So let's move the carriage to the middle, sort of. Type, and then it stops. So types, and it stops. Move it past that point where we're finding that, and it works. So if we bring it back, it makes that clicking noise. Wow, I see something move. Look at this piece. It makes that click noise right there. So, if you look closely at this, it looks like this arm is bent and is catching right here on this edge. See it right there? It's catching on the rail right there. Right there. So if I move it up, it goes past the rail. So this arm is bent. Bent backwards, binding on the carriage rail. I don't know how. I've never seen that happen. Don't know how it happened. Besides, I think this arm just needs to be bent back up. Let's see if I can just bend it. Form it back out of the way. See if that did it. That's it right there. So it just clears now. I don't know if that's a common problem with these or not, but sometimes you just gotta look around and see what you can see when you have a problem. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.